Push it. Give me a big smile. What's up guys, DIY Salvage Guy here. Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode, we're getting back to the 2012 Audi S5 build. So what we're going to be doing today is we're actually going to be doing a walk around and an overview of the entire vehicle so that you guys can see everything for the first time alongside us. I know I did a reveal video of this a while ago, but I want to give you guys an update on what's going on with it all. So we're going to be hopping into this today. We're going to try to get it started because it wouldn't start off the trailer, and we're going to see if we can get that top up as well. So if you guys are new here, really appreciate you guys being here. Really hope you guys enjoy the channel. To all my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you guys so much for being here and continuing to come back and support me. No matter what, hope you guys are subscribed. Make sure you guys like down below. Make sure you guys comment, interact with me. Let me know what you guys think about this stuff. Also, make sure you guys have your post notifications on. It's that little bell right down below. And also make sure that you guys are following me over on Instagram. We got a link right down here. That way you guys stay up to date on the build and everything else that goes on this channel. So initial reactions of the vehicle are that it's in pretty good shape. Nothing seems to be standing out to me that I didn't see in the photos. I didn't see this in the photos, but that's minor. There's going to be some buffing, some sanding throughout the whole thing, but it is the S package, so it shares the same body style and body kits as the Prestige package. So it's good that we don't have to worry about buying any of the new bumpers or any of the components for that. Because as you guys know from the A7 build, the front end was really expensive. It was just all the bits and pieces and everything that went along with it. These headlights are in good condition. Doesn't look like they were hit at all. They're not hazy, foggy, or anything like that. Both of them are good. When we were pulling it off the trailer yesterday, they worked, looked good. So we have some bumper damage down here as well. I don't think this stuff was related to the accident, but we will definitely be repairing this. We'll pull this bumper off and we'll, take care of all the imperfections that happened just from daily use. This car has 90,000 miles on it, and it looks like the person took really good care of it. So initial thoughts, we're gonna have to fix this bumper up. We're gonna have to reshape this. We're gonna attempt to reshape this front fender. If we can't, we'll get a new one. Then we got this rim we got to deal with. Obviously we need a new door. And the last thing that obviously sticks out is the driver's side rear quarter panel. Now I'm pretty sure that these are welded on. I have never welded before, so if I can't replace this, I'm gonna have to source a welder or something to see if I can do that, but we will cross that bridge when we get there. Also the mileage that's written right here.
All right, so first impressions. What are your thoughts?
I think the car is going to be very doable, very fixable. I kind of priced it out beforehand, and I think that everything that I priced out originally should stand true. I was hoping that there's no frame damage or anything like that. There's no A-pillar damage. Doesn't look like there is. I won't know any more about it until I get that door off. Got to figure out how to do that. It doesn't open, so maybe we might have to grind it off. But overall, I'm thrilled with this vehicle. I think that it's going to be a phenomenal car. It's got the all-wheel drive. It's perfect for winter. It's got like 330 horsepower, and it's got the convertible to kind of handle the summer perfectly as well. So I think this is going to be, when this build is done, this is going to be an awesome build. It's going to be a great experience for both me and Cody. and it's going to segue into something better. This car is going to hit the luxury standpoint, it's going to hit the sports standpoint, and it's just going to be a phenomenal build. And I'm so thankful that you guys are giving me the opportunity to build this, and thank you guys for being here. So we'll give a look at the trunk as well. We were having problems with the battery yesterday. At the auction itself, I was able to jump start the car. Started up absolutely no problems. Put a battery box on it, it was good. Like I said, I was gonna film it yesterday, coming off the trailer, and kind of do a quick walk around. It would have been nighttime, but I started the car up, jumped it again. It started right up, had absolutely no issues. And then I put it into reverse, and the entire car just died on me. So I tried to do the jumper box again, it wouldn't do anything. Key was stuck in the ignition, had a bad time with that. So then I just went and tried to jump it, connect it to a car. That was no good. So a couple of my neighbors, thank you to them, they were helpful in getting the car actually off the trailer. So right now, you saw the battery tender up there. So right now the battery tender is charging the battery. We will assess it in a little bit to see how the battery is actually standing. Probably take this cover off, see if we can get a get an idea of how old the battery is. Car's about 8 years old, so there's a good chance it's the original battery. Maybe we'll pop a new one in here from FCP Euro, get that lifetime warranty on here. That way we don't have to worry about replacing it ever again. Pretty sure these seats fold down, so that'll be good. You can always pop a snowboard back here or anything else that we want to use. So the only thing that is wrong with this car as of now that I did not anticipate, but I thought might have been an issue due to the fact that the pictures were like this. When they were taking pictures of the vehicle itself had the top down, and I thought maybe that was just for them to be able to get in and out of the vehicle since the driver's side door does not open. It's a lot easier to get in and out, obviously, with a top being down. But I went to go jump it at the auction, and the top was not working. On the dashboard itself, there's a light that looks like it's a top malfunction. So I have a scanner, borrowing that from a friend as well. Thanks, Doug. And I'm gonna be checking that out and see if there's a check engine code or anything like that. I don't see the ABS module or anything on, or not ABS, the airbag module. So we're gonna assess all the damage and see how it is. So we might have suspension damage in here as well. You can tell that I can't tell if it's the fender that is kind of bent or if the wheel itself is kind of shifted a little bit, but we will check all that out. So on the A7 build, you guys saw that the front end had all the damage. Now, as we are growing in the channel and in experience, we're basically trying to shift back into more damage and different types of damage on the vehicle. So we went from bumper, hood, all front end, to now we're going to be working on fender, door, rear quarter panel. Good thing we got the paint experience. Since this whole car looks like it might need to be repainted, might see if I could rent out a paint booth, see if there's anyone local. But so little by little, we're going to be able to repair an entire vehicle. Maybe next vehicle we'll look for something with rear end damage and see what we can find. So Cody's checking out the inside for the first time. Let me know, give me some ideas on how I can bring this leather back. Assume that it's been rained on for a while. The electronics all worked, so I need to play with that a little more, but I was very happy that it didn't look like the rain destroyed too much of that. So Cody, are they comfortable? How's the seats? What do you think?
It is comfortable. I think we should probably move the front seats up a little bit so the backseat passengers have a little bit of room, but yeah, it's actually nice and comfortable in here.
Happy with it?
Yeah, definitely.
Excited?
Of course. It takes 91.
We're gonna see if we can get this door open. We might be able to just disconnect it here if we need to.
It's hot. I told you I wasn't exaggerating.
Can you imagine if this top was up, getting in and out of this?
This handle's not even like connected to anything. Oh, at least this still works, look. That's such a weird spot for it. Why would it be?
Here we go. You can do it. No, I'm not kidding. You can totally do this.
Trying.
This is the worst part right here.
I know, it's a heartbreaker. I saw him drop it off last night. I see you're going to be 87. She's perfect, so you can do this.
Yeah, appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Oh, you got your stop motion photography going.
Yeah,
That's awesome.
put it all on YouTube.
Hey, why not? Get you more business.
Trying.
That's what it's all about.
Just a hobby right now. Maybe one day.
Yeah. Good. It's going to be great. I'd be sick of this.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
No, you guys will be great. See you later.
Later. So, I was just a fan who knows me from the YouTube channel.
Alright, so door can't open. If you guys have any ideas what I can do with this right now, let me know. Because right now I'm at a loss. Got to do a lot of research on this, try to figure out what to do with this vehicle. Probably got to replace the battery, we'll scan the codes, and that'll be it. I'm gonna take the mats out, let the sun do its job. Hopefully the interior of the car is dry and there's no funky smells or anything. So the car is mostly dry. The back seat has a little bit of moisture in there. Hopefully it'll dry up right now. To help with weight distribution, Audi puts the battery in the back. So I have the jumper box hooked up to that right now. It's been on there for about a minute. We're gonna give it another minute or so, see if it starts or anything. If not, I'm gonna assume this is probably the original battery. It looks like it. If it doesn't start now, I'm just gonna start taking it all apart. I'll bring it over to the auto parts store and I'll grab another one. Try to give it a start. Car's listed as a run and drive. It started at the auction. It started yesterday when it was on the trailer. Now it's not starting. We'll see it one more time. Car won't start. We're gonna take the battery out and we'll go get another one. Take that battery out. We gotta take the cover off right now. All right, we just got a new battery. Flashers instantly came on. We're gonna try to give this a start now. So I was able to get the top up, and turns out it's a black roof. Looks pretty good with it. Can't get it to go back down. Can't get it to do anything else. Car won't start anymore. All I hear is a click. Everything was working, and then it didn't. So at least it is up now. I don't have to worry about the rain hitting it or anything. It's sealed, so we're good for now. So now I can kind of just rest easy knowing that go inside, do some research, and get this thing done at my leisure without being stressed out.
Final thoughts.
I think the car's good. I think we're going to be able to fix it. I don't really see any damage outside of right in here. So that's going to do it for today's episode, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the channel, and I hope you guys will keep coming back and doing this build with us alongside me and my nephew, because we want to make sure that this car is perfect, and I hope that you guys will help me along the way. This is a new type of damage, side damage. Haven't done any of this stuff yet. I've never welded. I don't know if I'm going to be able to. I'm going to give it a shot, see what I can do with that. Is it even possible? Am I spinning my wheels? Am I wasting my time? I need to know your guys' opinion on that, because you guys are the experts in this. I'm definitely not. So if you guys are new here, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like, subscribe, throw me some comments down below. Let me know what you guys think about all this stuff. Let me know your opinions on the build and future prospects as well. All my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you guys so much for being here and continuing to support me. As you guys know, we just learn as we go here. So I hope that you guys will just pick up a wrench, buy a car, do whatever you need to do to try to become a DIY salvage guy yourself.